Hello everyone. As one professional data recovery and HDD repair engineer, it's very important and necessary to learn about the latest data recovery tools and some latest data recovery technologies. Now today, let's have an overview of what Dolphin Data Lab offers us. Now let's go to the official website of Dolphin Data Lab. www.datarecoverytoolsforyou.com. Now we have reached the official web page of Dolphin Data Lab. Let's go to the Dolphin Data Lab Product Center by clicking the Data Recovery Tools. Okay. From this Data Recovery Product Center, we can see there are many new data recovery tools here. Well, not only the data recovery tools, but also some important data recovery components like the adapters, the hot air rework station, the microscope, the Flash Programmer Pro, the COM Cable Plus, the Digital Multimeter Pro. Well, let's focus in the most important new data recovery equipment offered by Dolphin Data Lab. They are the DFL Data Doctor Pro USB 3 data recovery equipment, the DFL DE data recovery tool, and the DFL WD2 firmware repair tool. These three tools are the major, new, and advanced data recovery and HDD repair tools from Dolphin Data Lab. Besides these single data recovery tools, Dolphin Data Lab also offers us some data recovery packages with a compilation of different data recovery tools. For example, we can check the data recovery startup suite. Let's click inside and see details. The data recovery startup suite is offered to help those who want to start a data recovery business or start in-house data recovery sector to minimize the investment and maximize the data recovery performance. Let's see what data recovery tools are included in this suite. The startup suite contains three tools: the DFDE data recovery tool, the HDD Head Comps Pro, the Head and Platter Swap Pro Advanced. Users can visit this web page to learn the details by yourselves. Okay, let's check the second package, the data recovery Grow Up suite. The Grow Up suite contains DFL Data Doctor Pro and DFL WD2 HDD repair tool. That is because these two tools are not only cost-effective, but have many unique data recovery and HDD repair features no other tools have. That's why these tools are included to create the data recovery Grow Up suite. With this suite, users can definitely fix more cases other tools cannot do. So let's go back to this product center. We can check the more details of different tools. So within this product center, users can check the functions, features of different tools. If users want to check the demo and understand how these tools work, users can go to the resource menu and you can check the DFLWD video tutorials, the DDP video tutorials, the DE video tutorials, and the case studies and FAQs for all tools. For example, let's click the DFL DDP video tutorials. Click inside and users can find the videos available here. You can watch the videos directly on our website, and these videos are already uploaded to YouTube. And users can also click our YouTube channel to visit those videos. If users are interested in those tools, then users can click Contact Us by phone, by email, and by online form. Thank you very much for learning about the latest data recovery tools offered by Dolphin Data Lab. Thank you.